Welcome to Belly Breath, your sanctuary for calm and relaxation. In today's meditation, we'll guide you on a journey to inner peace, helping you release tension and connect with a deep sense of well-being. Whether you're here to unwind after a long day or to start your morning with clarity, this session will help you find your center. So, find a comfortable seat and let's begin. Begin by settling into a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be straight but relaxed. Feel the earth beneath you, supporting your weight as you gently place your hands on your thighs or in your lap. When you're ready, softly close your eyes and begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a cool, refreshing breeze that fills your lungs and spreads through your body. As you exhale, envision releasing any tension or stress, letting it dissolve into the air. Feel your belly rise and expand as you breathe in, like a balloon filling with air. As you breathe out, feel your belly gently contract, letting the air flow out smoothly. In this moment, visualize a peaceful landscape around you. Perhaps it's a serene meadow, bathed in the golden light of a setting sun. You are surrounded by tall, swaying grass and the soft hum of nature. All is calm, all is well. Tune into the sense of well-being within you. Notice how your breath naturally deepens as you connect with this peaceful energy. Feel your body responding, releasing any unnecessary tension. If you find areas of tightness, gently direct your breath into those spaces. Imagine the tension melting away like ice under a warm sun. Allow gravity to pull you deeper into your seat, anchoring you in this moment of relaxation. You may choose to gently tense and then release your muscles, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. With each release, feel the weight of your body growing heavier, sinking further into relaxation. As you continue to relax, allow your mind to rest, free from any concerns or distractions. If thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and gently guide your focus back to your breath, to the feeling of calm within your body. This is your time, your space, to retreat inward and recharge. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Simply be present with the sensations in your body and the calmness in your mind. Invite your body to relax even more deeply now. Feel the tranquility expanding with each breath, as if you are drawing peace from the very air around you. As your meditation comes to a close, begin to bring your awareness back to the physical world. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the gentle support of the earth, steady and unwavering. Start to gently sway your body, perhaps shifting your weight from side to side. Roll your shoulders back, feeling your muscles wake up, refreshed and revitalized. When you feel ready, take your time to open your eyes, bringing the peace and relaxation you've cultivated with you as you return to your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey to relaxation and peace. If you enjoyed this meditation, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to Belly Breath for more meditations like this one. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you calming content. Have a peaceful day and see you in the next session.